Thank you. Hello children, how are you? I am fine, thank you. Do you know why traffic rules are important? Yes, to stay safe. Yes, today let's meet some special friends who will teach us about traffic safety. What about it? Traffic safety. Hi everyone, I have three colors. Do you know what they mean? Red means stop, yellow means get ready, and green means go. Follow the rules every day. Stay safe and work and play. So students, should we follow the traffic rules? Yes, traffic rules keep us safe. Remember safety first. Always follow traffic rules. Thank you. Carnival is come. Dum dum dum. Carnival is come. Carnival is come. Oh, it's a carnival. I wish I could see it. But we don't have money. Every day you work like a horse, but your pockets are always empty. She was never empty till now. How can I take her to the carnival? Oh, my gold coin! I will take it. Please allow me to take my coin. Forget your coin. I will give you 2 coins instead. Sorry, Your Majesty. My coin is so precious to me. 10 coins. Sorry, Your Majesty. 100 coins. Sorry, Your Majesty. Okay, I will give you half of my kingdom. What will you say? What will you say? I will say please. I will say please. That's what I say. That's what I say. If you have someone, what will you say? What will you say? I will say sorry. I will say sorry. That's what I say. That's what I say. 2 sevens are 40. 3 sevens are 21. 4 sevens are 28. 5 sevens are 25. 6 sevens are 42. 7 My stem is thicker than a creeper's, but I do not grow as tall as trees. The best thing about me, I bloom with the beautiful flowers in many colors. That's why people call me Queen of Flowers.
No doubt, roses are truly stunning. Can you tell us about some of your fellow shrub friends?
Yes, some of my friends are hibiscus, bougainvillea, and chrysanthemum. We all add beauty to nature.
That was awesome. Next up, let's welcome our friend.
I am a tree, which means I am big and strong and long living. My friend is 30 and I have stood tall for many generations.
Thanks. That's wonderful. Mangoes are one of our favorite fruits. We even have poems about mangoes. Can you tell us names of some other trees?
My friends include banana, coconut, and maple trees.
Thank you, dear Granny. Now let's welcome our charming guest, the beauty.
ഒരു തൈ നടാം വംശു മക്കൾക്കു വേണ്ടി ഒരു തൈ നടാം 100 കിളികൾക്കു വേണ്ടി ഒരു തൈ നടാം നല്ല നാളേക്കു വേണ്ടി ഇന്നു അന്നനായൊരു ഞാനും നടുന്നു ഇത് മഴയ്ക്കായി തൊഴുതു നടുന്നു നൽകും വാർത്തകളല്ലേ
കണ്ണൂര്, വയനാടും പിന്നെ കോഴിക്കോടും. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ മലപ്പുറം പിന്നെ പാലക്കാടും നമ്മുടെ തൃശ്ശൂരും. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ മലപ്പുറം പിന്നെ പാലക്കാടും നമ്മുടെ തൃശ്ശൂരും.
പറയണേ ഇങ്ങനെ പറ എന്നാ പറയടി എന്നാ പറയാൻ അവതരിപ്പിക്കുന്ന അറിയാം നമ്മുടെ ഇന്ത്യയിലെ സംസ്ഥാനങ്ങളും